50th birthday, Mare. Welcome to the 50 and Fabulous Club. Don't worry, 50 is not old. It's just 25 with 25 years of experience, di ba? May your knees stay strong, your memory stay sharp, and your series of humor never run out.
Seriously? Though I'm so grateful for your friendship and for your blessings that you are and the people around you. May God continue to guide you and protect you and fill your life with joy, peace, and good health, and many more beautiful years. Sabi nga sa Numbers chapter 6 verses 24 to 25, sabi niya, "The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make His face shine on you and be gracious to you."
Here's to 50 years of God's faithfulness and to many more years of laughter, blessings, adventures, and answered prayers. Happy 50th birthday! You're not getting older, you're just becoming a classic.
Happy birthday!
Bye! I'm going to play.
Half century. Cheers to 50 years. And may the next half of your life, be as a wonderful as first half. Anyway, wala tugtan the background. You're not getting older as we. You're getting better. Happy 50th birthday, sis. Enjoy and I guess see you in, I don't know.
Happy 50th birthday, Ellen. You turn 51st, pasunod pa lang ako. Here's to friendship, fun, and many more years of memories together. May this chapter bring you more happiness, good health, blessings, laughter, and unforgettable memories. Enjoy your golden era. And I want you to remember that E, enjoy life. L, laugh louder. L, live fully. E, embrace 50. And never act your age. Happy birthday!
Happy 50th birthday, Mare Ellen. Ngayon, mas magaling ka ng kumanta kasi 50 ka na. At isa pa, GG ka na. Golden girl. So, anyways, Mare, I wish you all the best in life. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay beautiful like me. Hehe, love you. Mwah. God bless you always. Thank you for the friendship, for the love that we have shared in pang high school, and until now, kakasama pa rin tayo and sharing more funs and happy moment. And today it's your birthday, so wish you all the best and good health as well. And I pray, oh God, na i-bless mo ang friend kong ito. Napaka-birthday niya, not only to her family, sa kanyang friends. So stay gorgeous, stay beautiful, and stay faithful to the Lord. Love you, love you, love you. God bless.
Hi Mare! Happy birthday! God bless you always!
Happy 50th birthday, Mare Ellen! Enjoy your day! God bless you always!
Stay healthy and stay beautiful, stay sexy. God bless you. Happy birthday!
Hey, shout out to Mare Ellen Castillo! Happy golden birthday! More birthdays to come and God bless!
Happy birthday, Mare!
Hello there, golden girl. I could not imagine your
already half of the century old. You are now 50, and that's something to celebrate because not everybody is given the chance to grow old. This is life itself denied to many. So Joy, don't be afraid growing old, because aging means letting go. It means accepting and embracing everything that goes with it. It means discovering the beauty, discovering that beauty was never in the skin, but in the story we carry inside, the inspiration and the blessings that we share. So while growing old, enjoy life, because you will never be young again. And remember, you are not old. You are just a recycled teenager. Happy birthday, my dear Ellen Joy Castillo. Love and miss you all. Until the men.